Today's topic is cropping patterns. In order to get maximum benefit, crops can be grown in different ways. Some of these ways have been described here, that is intercropping, mixed cropping, crop rotation. If we use this type of cropping patterns, then we can get more and more from the same field. So let's start with mixed cropping. Growing two or more crops simultaneously on the same piece of land is known as mixed cropping. Farmers have been growing two or more crops together on the same piece of land for many centuries. In India, different crops are used in mixed cropping. For example, soybean plus pigeon pea, sorghum plus pigeon pea, maize plus urd bean, etc. Now, intercropping. It can be defined as growing two or more crops simultaneously in the same field in a definite row pattern or tier system. In intercropping, the crops selected are those that have different nutrient requirement so that there is maximum utilization of nutrient available in the soil. In intercropping, a few crops rows alternate with a few rows of second crop. For example, we can grow soya bean with maize or pearl millet, that is bajra, with cowpea, that is lobia. There are some advantages of intercropping. What? It makes optimum utilization of natural resources such as sunlight, land, and water. It helps to maintain soil fertility. Intercropping also helps to prevent spread of pest and disease. The next pattern is crop rotation. When the same crop is grown in the same field year after year, it removes what? What removes? Particularly nutrient from the soil and reduces its fertility. The fertility of the soil can be restored by crop rotation. So, growing different crops on the same piece of land in a pre-planned succession is known as crop rotation. In the crop rotation, the leguminous crop like pulses,